So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you wanted to help support this channel, you can. It won't cost you a thing. Just make sure to use the links in the description down below in case you wanted to buy anything I used in this video. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another quick video for you. I wanted to show you how to set up a simple mobile account, which is powered by T-Mobile. So I picked up an iPhone SE and a $50 prepaid card. You get a SIM card that comes with the phone. This is the SIM card and activation instructions, which came with this phone when I got it. Just in case you wanted to get a unlocked phone and bring your own phone, what you could do is you can get your own SIM kit like this, which is a nano, micro, and standard SIM card. You're gonna need a prepaid card, or you could use your credit card to refill it once you set the account up. So I got this and filled it with $50. So basically you just take your SIM card right here, you put it in the phone, have your service pin ready. So this is where you get your service pin from. Once you scratch off the code on the back of this card, the $50 plan or the $40 plan or the $60 plan, whatever you get, you basically scratch off the code. That will give you your service pin, and then you just have to call the number on the back and activate your service with that pin, and it'll automatically put that amount of money that you paid, the 50 or 60 or 40, it'll credit that to your account, and it'll automatically activate that plan on your account. That's all you got to do. So I'm going to leave some links in the description down below in case you wanted to pick up anything I used in this video. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you got any questions or comments, let me know in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.